Okay, and guys, like I said, you guys have to participate, then only this thing is going to work. Okay, so let's try to see. Okay, we'll start with a few questions. Let's see if the others can join in. They can join in anytime after that. Okay, so guys, the infectious stage of plasmodium that enters the human body, guys, what do you think? Who is that going to be? Yes, guys, think, everyone. Yes, very nice. I've got the right answer. Yes, one. Yes, very nice. Komal is right. Himanshu is right. Sia is also right. Yes, very nice, guys. It is going to be your sporozoites. Okay. Match the following diseases with the causative organisms and select the correct option. Okay. ठीक है. So let's try to see. So guys, A, typhoid. Typhoid is going to go with what, guys? A. Just tell me first. Okay, we're going to do individual ones, guys. Typhoid out over here. Just tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Mukta, just give it a little while. Okay, a couple of moments, and then it will be fine. Or if you want, I will do one more thing. See, I can just zoom in into this a little bit more so that it appears something of this sort. Yeah. Okay, so guys, first, typhoid, this is going to be your salmonella. Okay, so salmonella typhi. Pneumonia, guys, who is pneumonia going to be? Yes, very nice. It is going to be your hemophilus, uh, hemophilus influenzae. Okay, then filariasis, guys, filariasis, filariasis, yes, it is going to be Wuchereria. Wuchereria bancrofti. Guys, remember filariasis, Wuchereria bancrofti, Brugia malai, or Brugia timori. So yes, this is going to be C. And malaria, malaria is going to be D. So guys, let's see who's the right one out over here. Okay, this option is right. Okay, B option. Okay, sure. So guys, next one. Identify the correct pair representing the causative agent of typhoid fever and the confirmatory test. Guys, not the normal, identification test, but it is a confirmatory test. Okay, sure. So guys, let's try to see who is going to be out over here. Guys, very, very simple. Okay, so see, we have, what is this? It is going to be, guys, quickly, typhoid. First, who is no, only no. I'm getting all the wrong answers, guys. No. Yes. Or Purno has given me the right answer. Yes, Sia is also right. No, only Purnavi and Sia is right. Okay, what is this? It is actually your salmonella. Okay, so we have salmonella typhi. See, that is the causative agent. And what are we seeing, guys? We have the Vidal test. Okay, very, very simple, very, very famous test, guys. Always keep this thing in mind. It is going to be Vidal. Okay, chal. Next one. In which disease does mosquito transmitted pathogen cause chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels? Guys, you don't even have to think about it. It is elephantiasis or filariasis. Okay, next one. Which of the following sets of diseases is caused by bacteria? Okay, now guys, you need to find out who is bacteria one. Very, very simple. Okay, very, very simple, guys. Okay, just think about this. Yes, very nice. Samiksha is right. Himanshu is right. Sia is also right. Yes, Mukta is right. No, Vibha is right. Guys, who is it? It is going to be your cholera. So cholera, this is caused by Vibrio cholerae, basically. And tetanus, this is Clostridium tetani. So both of them, they are bacteria. Here, smallpox. Smallpox is caused by pox virus. Mumps. Mumps is caused by virus once again. Herpes virus, influenza virus. Okay. So guys, answer is going to be A. Okay, next question. Which of the following protozoan diseases is caused Which of the following diseases is caused by a protozoan? Okay, so protozoan. So sorry, guys, babesiosis, blastomycosis, syphilis, influenza. Okay, so guys, think about this. Think about this. Who is it going to be? Who is it going to be? And I'm going to give you an idea how to see. We haven't talked about, some of the diseases out of the way, but I'm going to give you a way how to remember this. No, 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 no. See, guys, I want you to understand, even if you don't know the answer, how are you going to, get the, how are you going to arrive at the right answer? That is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Okay. No, 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 no. I'm getting all the wrong answers. Wrong answer. Okay. So let me tell you. Okay. So guys, see, let me just tell you the answer is A, babesiosis. Okay. But now, how are you going to get it? Okay. Guys, syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum. Okay. This is going to be bacteria. Okay, so syphilis, bacteria. See, when we talk about blastomycosis, guys, the moment you have myco means what, guys? Fungus, influenza, virus. So now who remains out over here? Babesiosis. We don't even know what it is, but then you can just say that, okay, by the method of elimination, we can land up onto this thing. Actually, guys, this is caused by a protozoan which belongs to the Babesia family. Okay, and this Babesia basically, how it is transmitted, guys? This is transmitted through the bite of ticks. Guys, so especially you have dogs, on the dogs you have ticks, guys. Generally, when these ticks they start biting you and all, they are going to transfer Babesia to you, and that results in tick fever or babesiosis in that way. Okay, chalo. Let's try to move on to the next one, guys. Okay, match each disease with its correct type of vaccine. Oh, okay. Vaccine. Yes, guys. So let's try to see who is it. Okay, so you have to think about this thing. Okay, now some of it you may know, some of it you may not know, but we have to identify who is going to be what. Okay, so we have tuberculosis. Okay, so tuberculosis, harmless virus, inactivated toxin, killed bacteria, harmless bacteria. Okay, so so guys, what do you think? Yes, very nice. Mukta is right. Okay, so out of the four, one, two, three, four. Okay, guys, we are going to have these. That for PCG, guys, we are going to take the harmless bacteria. Okay, remember this is actually your harmless bacteria. Okay, uh, second one. Okay, B, whooping cough. Okay, whooping cough, guys. This is going to be your guys. Anybody? Any guesses? Any guesses? Yes, it is going to be your yes, killed bacteria. Very nice. Okay, C, diphtheria. Now, guys, diphtheria is caused by the diphtheria toxin. Okay, it is caused by diphtheria toxin. So this is going to be inactivated toxin. Okay, and lastly, polio. Polio is nothing but your harmless virus. Okay, so ये है order उल्टा. What is the right thing? 4, 3. This is the right option. Okay, A is the right option. Okay, chalo. So next one, next let's try to see. The active form of Entapiba histolytica feeds upon. Okay, very, very important. Guys, think about this. Very nice. Parnavi is right. Vibha is right. Himanshu is also right. Guys, I had told you. See, this entamoeba histolytica. Now, when this is going to go crazy, then what is going to happen? It is going to eat into your intestine. It's going to bore holes into your intestine, guys. And from there, it is going to enter into the blood. From the blood, it is now going to travel through the body and it is going to reach into your liver. And in the liver, it is going to cause your liver abscess, meaning what? It is going to cause damage to the liver. So, guys, erythrocytes, mucosa, and submucosa of colon. So, all the three. Okay, next. Infection of Ascaris usually occurs by, very simple, guys, very simple. So, yes, very nice. Everybody is right. Everybody is giving me the right answer. Drinking water containing eggs. Okay. But now, guys, if we are talking about this one, okay, eating imperfectly cooked pork, guys, can anybody tell me what is this going to result into? Very, very nice. Parnavi has given me the right answer, guys. Remember, this is going to result into tapeworm infection. Okay, this is a major cause of tapeworm infection, guys. Okay, so keep this thing in your minds, guys. Okay, next one. Identify the site where Wuchereria bancrofti is normally found in the human body. Very simple, guys. Yes, Burnavi is right. Waiting for the others. Yes, Devank is also right. Guys, where are we going to see this thing? Yes, we are going to see it in your lymphatic vessels. Okay, how come? Because see, we said it is nothing but your lymphatic filariasis. So that is why lymphatic vessels. Just a moment, just a moment. Okay, chalo. So guys, next one. Okay, the motile zygote of Plasmodium occurs in motile zygote of Plasmodium occurs in gut of the female salivary glands of the Anopheles, human RPCs, human liver. So yes, guys, what do you think? Think about this thing, guys. Very nice. Sia has given me the right answer. Yes. Okay. I'm waiting for the others. So, guys, if you remember when we talked about your plasmodium, okay, what was happening in that thing, guys? Okay, the plasmodium basically this is now going to enter into the gut of the female mosquito, and in the gut of the female mosquito, then what is it going to convert into? It is going to convert into the ukinate, guys, and that is going to anchor itself into the wall of the gut, right? So, where is this thing going to happen? Sorry, in the gut of the female Anopheles mosquito. Okay. That next one, very simple, guys. We just now did it a few moments ago. Vidal test. Yes, very nice. Everybody is giving me the right answer. Okay, common cold differs from pneumonia in that. Okay, so we will have to read all of them. Okay, but okay. Okay, so see, first options are over here and the rest three options are out over here. I want you to quickly read it and give me the right answer. Okay, so yes. So guys, oh yes, almost everybody is giving me the right answer. Yes, it is D. Pneumonia pathogen infects the alveoli, whereas a common cold affects the nose and respiratory passages, but not the lungs. Okay. Where will you look for the sporozoites of malarial parasites? Yes. Where will you look for, guys? Where will you look for sporozoites of the malarial parasites? Yes, very nice. Himanshu is right. And Himanshu is right. And I believe Arya is right. Yeah. Where are we going to see this thing? Guys, this is going to be seen in the saliva of the infected female Anopheles, because then when she is going to bite you, she is going to transfer it into your body. So there also we are going to see it. Okay. So yes, this is the right answer, guys. Okay, chalo. Next one, guys. Which one the following option? Okay, with its causative organism and mode of infection. Yes. So guys, just have a look. See who do you think is the right match? Very simple. Yes. C has given me the right answer. Waiting for the others. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Some. Oh, sorry. Some of you have given me the right answer. Some of you have given me the wrong answer. Sorry. Okay. Now, guys, there are two options which you may think that they are right. Okay. So the first one, guys, you may think this is malaria. Okay. Now, because see, this is like, oh, malaria, plasmodium, vivax, bite of the female Anopheles mosquito. Guys, remember what is here? This is male. So is this going to be the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. Who's the right answer out over here? Guys, the right answer is pneumonia. Pneumonia, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and this is going to be by droplet infection. Okay, so guys, just be a little careful with this one. Okay, next, common cold is not cured by antibiotics because very simple, guys. Mukta is right, Samisha is right, Sneha Singh is right. Yes, very simple. Why? Because it is going to be a virus. That is why. Ringworm in humans is caused by. Guys, very simple. Once again, yes, Sneha is right, Sia is right, Parnavi is right, Samiksha is right, Mukta is right. Okay, so it is caused by your fungus. Okay, dermatophytosis. Okay, Vidal test once again, guys, very simple. Okay, we've done it. Henceforth, we will skip this thing. Okay, so it is typhoid. Okay, next question. Okay, a person suffering from a disease caused by plasmodium experiences recurring chills and fever at the time. Okay, at that time. Okay, so guys, so just read the first two and then I will show you the other two. Yes. Can anybody tell me? Yes, guys. Anyone. Quickly. Very simple, guys. Very simple. I told you, when are you going to experience those chills? The chills and rigors, fever. Yes. Very nice. Now everybody is giving me the right answer. Yes. So we have, yes. So Mukta is right. Sia is right. Parnavi is right. Ashita is also right. Yes, it is going to be C. Okay, guys, the parasite after its a rapid multiplication inside the RBCs, it is now going to rupture them. And then as it releases into the blood, at that time you're going to see that, oh, suddenly you're getting those fever and chills, fever and chills, fever and chills. Yes. Okay, guys, next thing, which of the following is a pair of viral diseases? What do you think? Very nice. Mukta is right. Waiting for the others. Himanshu is also right. Parnavi is right. Sneha Singh is also right. Yes. What is it? Common cold and AIDS. Okay. Next one, guys. Okay. Match the disease in column 1 with the appropriate items. Okay. In column B. Okay. So let's try to see, guys. So, okay. So, guys, let's try to see. So, amoebiasis. Guys, what is amoebiasis going to match with? Guys, amoebiasis. Amoebiasis, yes, it is going to be your, it is going to use only sterilized food and water. What does this mean, guys? It means simple that you have to use boiled water. That is the meaning. So yes, this is going to be A. Diphtheria, guys. Diphtheria, what is the thing that we are going to go for diphtheria, guys? It is the DPT. Actually, this is DPT, or you can also call this thing as the DTP vaccine. Diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. Okay, so this vaccine. So diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. Pertussis is what, guys? Pertussis is whooping cough. Okay, it is whooping cough. Okay, then cholera. Cholera, guys, we are going to use oral rehydration therapy. And syphilis, like I earlier said, it is caused by Treponema pallidum. So let's see who is 2341. 2341. Oh, yes, this one. B. Okay, next one. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Okay, so guys, this we need to think about this a bit. Okay, so guys, some of them we know, some of them we don't know at all. Okay, but now, so guys, Culex mosquito, okay, causes filariasis. Yes. Aedes mosquito, dengue. Yes. Anaph sorry, guys. Okay. Now, next one, guys. Anopheles. Anopheles mosquito. Leishmaniasis? No, this is the wrong one. Leishmaniasis is caused by trypanosomas. Yes, that is right. Okay, so guys, out over here. And then, so if this, we know that this is definitely wrong, that means Glossina is definitely for your sleeping sickness. So this is how we are going to always get to the right answer, guys. Okay, this is a method of your elimination. Okay, if you like, understand how things are working, then you can definitely get the right answer. Okay, salmonella, guys, without any doubt. Chalo, quickly. Salmonella is related with. Yes, very nice. Parnavi, Sia, Samiksha. Yes. Okay, so next one. Okay, which is the most infectious disease? Guys, I'm damn sure everybody is aware of this thing. Okay, now guys, you may think there are two of them, okay, which are like, really infectious. Okay, so we have one that is AIDS. Your immediate this thing, your reaction would be okay. It must be AIDS only because that is going to be the most deadliest one. Okay, but guys, remember, even someone who is going to be more deadlier and more I mean, not more deadlier, but who is more infectious. Okay, is your hepatitis B. Okay, guys, remember this is a trick question. Keep this thing in mind. Our natural tendency would be to go and write AIDS. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. Okay, next thing, which is showing accurate pairing. Okay, accurate pairing. Yes, very simple. Yes. Okay, what is this? It is the first one. Samiksha is right. Vibha is right. Okay. Parnavi is also right and Sia is also right. Okay. Then next one is okay, saline solution is given to patients of cholera because guys, think about this. Okay, so yes. So what do you think, guys? It is going to be because of sodium prevents water loss from the body. Very nice. Okay, so Devang is right. Sia was also right. Parnavi is right. Himanshu is right. Okay. Chalo. Next one, guys. And guys, always remember, okay, the moment you have cholera, okay, you will always be put on either your glucose saline drips or you're going to be given like oral rehydrating solutions every now and then, every now and then. Okay, this is to make sure that the osmotic balance okay, inside your body is maintained properly. The osmotic pressure of your blood is maintained properly. Otherwise, everything is going to go wrong, guys. And what is going to happen? You are going to see that now because the intestines are not able to store any water or reabsorb any water, all the water from the urine is going to be reabsorbed back into the blood. But what did I tell you? What is going to happen during that? Even urea is going to be reabsorbed, guys. And because of that, you will see that now you will suffer from uremia. Uremia is deadly and then it can turn toxic. Okay. Chalo. Next one, guys, botulism is caused by Clostridium botulinum affects what? Lymph gland, central nervous system, spleen, intestines. What do you think, guys? Very nice. Only one person has given me the right answer. Oh, no, 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 no. Sorry, sorry. No, you have also given me the wrong answer only. Yes. Guys, quickly, quickly. Think. Others. I'm waiting for others to answer, guys. Guys, the answer for this is this botulism. It is going to affect your entire central nervous system, guys. Okay, this is what is going to happen. And guys, you know what is this? This botulism, basically, this is nothing but the Clostridium botulinum. It produces the botulina. Okay, the botulin toxin, basically the botulinum toxin. Okay, and that is when you get this clostridia, botulism. This is going to result into your like food poisoning, guys. Especially this results into very bad food poisoning. Then it is going to affect the nervous system. Okay, and the nervous system is going to collapse. Okay, results into the death of the person, guys. Okay, really, really deadly stuff. Okay, botulism. And guys, what we have been doing, okay, we have been taking this botulinum toxin and we have converted into this botox. Guys, you must have heard this botox injections, you know, females and all this female actresses and male actresses, they go, they take this botox injection to, you know, reverse aging and all that stuff, guys, removal of wrinkles and all. That is from this botulinum toxin. Okay, sure. Next thing, okay, typhoid once again. Quickly, guys. Yes, very nice. Everybody is giving me the right answer. Salmonella. Diphtheria is caused by. Guys, quickly. What do you think? Diphtheria. It is no. Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Okay. So yes. As the name suggests, it is bacteria. Which of the following diseases is now considered completely eradicated from India? Yes, guys, Parnavi is right. Devang is right. Samiksha is right. Guys, which disease has been completely eradicated? It is smallpox. Guys, always remember, B is also true right now. B, we are still struggling. We are still fighting with it. Okay, because we are continuously having, like, the polio camps and all, because of which the number has gone down. Now how it works, guys, even if there are few cases of polio, immediately they increase that, the entire the vaccine drives. Okay, so that way. But smallpox, have you ever heard of smallpox by any chance, guys? Smallpox vaccines, smallpox, anything? No, because it has been completely stopped. It has been completely eradicated. Guys, some of you are saying, sir, plague. What about plague? Guys, plague still can happen. Like, for example, plague is caused by Yersinia pestis. Okay, that is going to stay onto the fleas on the rats. Guys, so that is still a possibility. It can come up again. But then smallpox, we have completely eradicated it. Okay. Which of the following symptoms include and indicate red sickness? Yes. So guys, just think about this. Okay. So guys, yes. Okay. So guys, what is the right answer for this thing? So if you're talking about red sickness, okay. So guys, basically red sickness, it is caused by a virus. Okay, and what you will see is, like, in this case you are going to see this ulcerated skin. Okay, you have nausea and loss of hair. All this thing is going to be in red sickness. However, guys, this thing has been removed from your portion. Okay, so I'm doubtful they will ever ask you this question by any chance. Okay, it is not there for you at all. Okay, but if you want, just keep it in your mind that this is your viral disease. Okay, red sickness. This is a viral disease. Okay. Okay. Next one, guys. Which one of the following pair of diseases is caused by a virus? Yes, very simple, guys. Very simple. Once again, just try to think. Yes, Parnavi is right. Mukta is right. Samiksha is right. Yes. Waiting for the others. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Yes, 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 guys. Sonali is right. Yes. Guys, who is it? I just told you. See, mumps. We had already done this thing. Mumps is your virus. Mumps virus. Okay, so it is caused by rubella virus. Okay, mumps is rubella. Okay, and the rabies is a rhabdovirus. So these two are viruses. Okay, cholera, Vibrio cholerae, bacteria, tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculate, your bacteria, typhoid, salmonella, tetanus, Clostridium tetani, both of them bacteria. AIDS, HIV, this is virus, and syphilis, Treponema pallidum, this is bacteria. So guys, out of this, rabies and mumps, that is the only right option. Okay, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Guys, just see. Yes, very nice. Samiksha is listening to me. Yes, so Samiksha has given me the right answer. Waiting for the others. Guys, Mukta is also right. Guys, who was this? It was syphilis. Guys, who was the causative agent for syphilis? I told you this is going to be your no, so, treponema. Okay, so treponema pallidum. That is the real causative agent, guys. Okay, so that is the real causative agent. We had done somewhere out over here. Kidhar to upar, kidhar to we had done this thing. Okay, so anyways, this is your treponema pallidum. Okay, remember sleeping sickness, trypanosomas. This is right, Gambians. Okay, so just keep this in mind. Dengue fever. See, dengue, we said it is the dengue virus. Dengue virus, the actual name is arbovirus. Okay, and like guys, I just now, just a few moments ago, I talked about this thing, Yersinia pestis. Okay, so play Yersinia pestis. This is right. Okay, keep this thing in mind, guys. Okay, which of the following causes plague? Yes. Okay, it's the same question out over here. It is Yersinia pestis. Okay, which of the following does correctly match sexually transmitted disease with its pathogen? Now, guys, we are looking at sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so what do you think? Guys, out over here, there are two of them which are sexually transmitted disease, but only one of them is the right match. Yes, very nice. Okay, Parnavi, Mukta is right, Parnavi is right, Samiksha is right, Sneha Singh is right, Devang is right, Ashita is also right. Yes, guys, it is syphilis, syphilis. Okay, Treponema pallidum. Guys, gonorrhea is also right, but who is the causative agent for gonorrhea? Anybody? Anyone, can anyone try? Who is the causative agent for gonorrhea? It is Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Guys, this is like a very, very important bacteria. Okay, from this thing, from like from the gram positive, gram negative point of view. Guys, most of them they are going to be your gram positive cocci. Neisseria gonorrhoeae is the only gram negative cocci. Okay, gram negative cocci. Guys, I will tell you one incident that had happened. Okay, sorry. Okay, so what was happening was, guys, after my MSCs, in my MSCs, like, during my MSCs, I was doing internship in Johnson and Johnson. Okay, and what happened was, guys, I was like, going through all the products, so all the, whatever like products, like, baby soaps, baby shampoos, baby oil, baby powders, and all. Guys, I was going through all that. Okay, and we had to do some microbiological testing of it. So we had taken the samples and we had like, guys, we had just got the results. And I have taken the results and I was like, doing the gram staining of it. And guys, the moment I did gram staining, oh my God, I started seeing all these gram negative cocci. And I knew at that time that, oh, gram negative cocci, there is only one, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Immediately I alerted the, the head of the department. Okay, her name was Mamta Uchil. Okay, I was like, oh my God, this is a gram negative cocci, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Neisseria gonorrhoeae in that means, guys, someone has messed up really big time. Okay, now what happened, guys? Immediately, the people who were working out over there, they came and they were like, "Arey, arey, arey, don't call out so, loudly, because everybody will come to know that, oh, this, then that entire batch is going to be defective." Guys, then what happened? Okay, now what happened was, when we did an analysis of that, the stains that they were using, those were expired stains, and that is why they were not giving proper results. And that was the root cause. Then we brought fresh stains and then we did it, and then it came proper gram positive copy. So that was one thing. Okay, but when I had, I had, put up the alarm, everybody was like scared. There's that way. Neisseria gonorrhea. Okay, keep this thing in mind. Okay, she's on stage. Okay, she's on stage of Plasmodium occurs in. Guys, very important. This was the last thing that we were seeing, guys. Where do we see this thing? Yes, guys, in your Plasmodium. Where is schizon going to occur, guys? Yes, anybody? Hello? Can you hear me, guys? Hello? Yes, only Sia has given me the right answer. S- waiting for the others. Okay, so guys, now when we talked about the schizons, okay, where did we say? We had said that, oh, this is going to happen in your this thing, right? In your like the blood, basically in your RBCs. Okay, but okay, always remember, guys, some part of it also happens in your liver cells as well. Okay, because in your liver cells also we are seeing that the hepatocytes, the merozoites are going to be formed, and then some of them happen to form Schizon stage in the livers as well. So guys, keep this thing in mind. The Schizon stage, general answer would be your erythrocytes. Okay, because most of the time they will give you erythrocytes only. But if liver cells is present along with it, then the answer will be erythrocytes and liver cells. Okay, so once again, guys, keep your eyes open for this question. Depending upon the answer, right? Depending upon the options presented, the answer also keeps on changing. Okay, if all ponds and puddles are destroyed, the organism likely to be destroyed is, yes, guys, very simple. Who do you think it is going to be? Yes, it is. Mukta is right. Purnavi is right. Sneha Singh is right. Yes, who is this? It is going to be your plasmodium. Right. Okay. Why? What is the idea behind this, guys? Because then the mosquitoes are going to die. If the mosquitoes are going to die, there is going to be no vector to transport plasmodium. That is the idea. Okay. Next, give the correct matching of the causative agent, germ, and disease. Yes, guys. Give the correct matching. Yes. So, what do you think, guys? Who is this going to be? Yes, 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 yes. It is going to be. One minute. Huh? This there is there any other else out over here? No. Give the correct matching of the causative agent. Okay. So अरे ये का है ये तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ है हाँ नहीं 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 sorry 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 no 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 guys once again okay read this answer question properly. They are asking you who is the causative agent and they are not looking for any kind of your vector. So who's the causative agent, guys? Yes, all those who have said D, this is the right answer. Wuchereria is filariasis. Instead of Anopheles, it should have been your Plasmodium, guys. Right? Then this would have worked. Okay, chalo. Next one. Okay, guys, keep your eyes open. Okay. Okay, the part of life cycle of malarial parasite Plasmodium vivax that is passed in female Anopheles is okay. So, guys, pre-erythrocytic, exoerythrocytic, post-erythrocytic, sexual cycle. Yes, what do you think, guys? We can, yes. Can anybody? Yes, actually, Mukta is right. Parnavi is also right. Okay, what is past? Actually, guys, we are going to see the entire sexual cycle. Okay, entire sexual cycle is going to be transferred. Okay, because see, we have said there are going to be two hosts. Okay, that one is your mosquito and the second one is the human host. So the entire sexual cycle is going to be passed, guys. Okay. Sorry. Okay, next one, guys. African sleeping sickness is caused due to. Okay, so sleeping sickness, it is going to be caused due to, we just said it is trypanosomas. Okay, so yes, but now, guys, who is this trypanosoma? Trypanosoma gambians. Okay, but now how is it going to be caused? It is caused by Glossina palpalis. Okay, so guys, this is very, very important. Just keep this thing in mind, guys. Okay, always ask. Okay, and guys, who is this Glossina palpalis? Basically, this is nothing but we call it as the sessefly. Okay, this is your sessefly. Okay, so always remember this is going to be asked. African stiffness, sessefly. Okay, or Glossina palpalis. Okay. Okay, next one. Malignant tertiary malarial parasite belongs to class. Okay, now guys, this is there are like different types of your malarial parasites that we've talked about. Malignant meaning the really deadly one. It is Plasmodium falciparum. So yes, Parnavi is right. Mukta is also right. Okay, next question. Who discovered Plasmodium in RBCs of humans? Okay, so now we don't know this thing, like we have never talked about this thing, but if you have to take a wild guess, anyone? Yes, it is. Yes, some of you are right. It is Leverin. Okay, will not be asked. It hasn't been asked in a long time, since ages. This question has not been asked. Okay, chalo. But anyways, the infective stage of malarial parasite, Plasmodium, that enters into the human body. Yes, who is that? What is that from, guys? Very nice. Himanshu, Parnavi, Samiksha, all of you are right. Mukta. It is the sporozoite form. Okay. The bite of the sessile fly may pass to humans. What, guys? Who is going to be passed? Yes, it is Trypanosoma gambiense. Okay, right. Okay, just a moment. Okay. Okay, let's okay, huh. So sorry. Okay, so guys, this leishmania. Okay, I'll just tell you a little bit about leishmania. Okay, because this will be asked. Okay, so leishmania basically, this is caused. Leishmania is caused by Leishmania donovani. Okay, but now, who is really going to pass you this thing, guys? This is passed by the bite of your sand fly. Okay, so we have this sessile fly and we have this sand fly. Okay, this is going to result into leishmania. Leishmania, guys, this is also known by another name, Kala Azar. Okay, Kala Azar. Okay, so just keep this thing in mind. May come handy. Okay. Malaria fever coincides with the liberation of. Yes, it it coincides with the liberation of. Guys, come on, come on, come on, everyone. Yes, Samiksha is right. Himanshu is right. Guys, rest others. Mukta is right. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Answer, guys. It is Merozoites. Okay, because merozoites. Oh, sorry. It is metacryptomerozoites. Okay, metacryptomerozoites basically, these are the ones which are going to once again infect your liver cells. Okay, the hepatocytes. Then they're going to grow into that. Okay, so yes, this is going to be metacrypto. uh, okay, there is one more question. What are trachozoites? Trachozoites, or you want to mean trophozoites? Now, see, general idea, whenever we talk about your trophozoites, basically, like, and these are like, trophozoites, to talk about the general meaning is like, something which is going to, develop, something which is going to grow further. So that is the actual meaning of trophozoites. Okay. And how is it going to grow? Now, see, why we are talking about malarial parasites having trophozoites? Basically, because, parasite is going to derive nourishment from the host. That is why. So that is why we call them as trophozoites. Okay, chalo. Next one, guys. The vector for sleeping sickness. Okay, so sleeping sickness, we just did it, guys. Who is this? Yes, it is going to be your sese fly. Okay, guys. Once again, always keep. Okay, sandfly. Sandfly is for Kalazar leishmania. Okay, chalo. Then, the causal organism for African sleeping sickness. Yes, it is. Yes, very nice. It is going to be your Trypanosoma gambians. Okay. Next one, identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. Okay, when exposed to antigen, antibodies are produced in the host body. It is called active immunity. Actually, this is right. Okay, when ready-made antibodies are directly given, it is called passive immunity. This is also right. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. No, 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 guys, this is wrong. Okay, active immunity is slow because first you will have to suffer from the disease. Then once you will suffer from the disease, then you're going to produce antibodies, then you're going to have the memory B cells, memory T cells. So for this thing, it takes a real long time, guys. So answer is going to be your this thing. Okay, see. And fetus receives some antibodies from the mother. It is an example of passive immunity. Yes, absolutely. This is right. This is naturally acquired passive immunity. So this is right. So answer was the third one, guys. Okay, next one. Which of the following immune responses is responsible for rejection of kidney graft? So yes, what do you think, guys? Cell-mediated immune response, autoimmune response, humoral immune response, inflammatory immune response. What do you think? Yes. Okay. So Parnavi has given me the right answer. Only Mukta has tried. Okay. Only both of them they have tried this. Rest nobody has tried. Ashita is also right. Ashita is also giving me the right answer. Okay. Okay. No. 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 Okay. So guys, what is this? Now, always remember, why are these graphs going to be like rejected? because your body cells come to know that, oh, there is something foreign, and immediately they start killing those cells because of cell mediated immunity. So, guys, this is the right answer. Okay, next one. Colostrum, the yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial days of lactation, is very essential to impart immunity to the newborn infants because it contains immunoglobulin A, natural killer cells, monocytes, and macrophages. So, what do you think, guys? Very nice. Parnavi is right, Mukta is right, Devank is right, Vibha is right, Sneha is right. Yes, it contains this immunoglobulin A. Okay, always remember, guys. But what do? We take this colostrum and we make a delicacy out of it, kharvas. Okay, so kharvas is made from colostrum only. Okay, which of the following is not an autoimmune disorder? Okay, autoimmune disorder means what, guys? Where your body starts killing your cells only, or it starts, to fight against your body cells only. Okay, so psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, Alzheimer's, and vitiligo. Okay, so guys, any guesses? Yes, very nice. Sia is right, Mukta is right, Himanshu is right, Vibha is right. Guys, this is Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is not really this thing. It is not really your autoimmune disorder. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, guys, quickly, I'll just give you like a 10-minute break. Okay, and then we'll once again continue. Okay, guys, keep it short, but okay, keep it short. Okay, 10 minutes quickly break, then we'll continue with the next part, guys. Okay, guys. Chalo, so let's get back, everyone. Okay, so guys, next question. Okay, transplantation of tissues. We just did this thing, guys. Okay, okay, quickly tell me, guys. We just did this thing. Hello, guys, are you there? Am I audible? Hello, mic check. Hello, mic check. Hello. Yes. Okay. So, guys, what is this? This is your cell-mediated immune response. Okay. So the next thing, guys, next thing is we are going to have your okay. So malt tissue constitutes about dash percent of the lymphoid tissue in the human body. Okay. So guys, what is this malt exactly? Okay. This is nothing but mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Okay. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. That is called as malt. Okay. And guys, out of this, now can you just take a wild guess and how much do you think? Yes. Okay. So this is actually roughly going to be around 50%. Okay. And guys, keep this thing in mind. Okay. Very, very important. Always will this will pop up in your exams. Okay. Active venom. No, sorry. Antivenom. Antivenom injection contains preformed antibodies, while polio drops that are administered into the body contain dash. Yes. So can anybody tell me, guys? Anyone? Yes, anybody. So guys, see anti-venom basically in, anti-venom is nothing but antibodies which are performed, which are preformed in your horses and all, right? But polio drop, guys, polio, two boon zindagi ke. What did we see? It is when we talked about vaccination, guys, we said this vaccination is going to contain the germs. But how are the germs? They are going to be living. But what have we done? We have made them really, really weak. What kind of this thing, guys? These are nothing but attenuated pathogens. Attenuated meaning they are going to be a harmless kind of thing. Harmless. So you have treated it so much that it will no longer cause the disease. Okay. Next one. In higher vertebrates, the immune system can distinguish self and non-self. If this property is lost due to genetic abnormality and it attacks self cells, then it is going to lead to dash. Yes. Very nice. Sia, Mukta. Yes. What is this going to result into? Immediately, it results into autoimmune disorder. Okay. Sure. Next. If you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in a person, okay, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory tests? Okay, so see, guys, first of all, understand. Okay, understand you do not have antibodies. Okay, if there is deficiency of antibodies in a person. Okay, now antibodies belong to which class, guys? Antibodies belong to immunoglobulins. Okay, and now which would you look for confirmatory evidence, guys? You're going to look for immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulins are nothing but serum globulins. Okay, so yes, that way. Okay, which one of the following immunoglobulins contains or constitutes the largest percentage in human milk? Very, very, very important. Okay, so guys, who is this? It is IgA. Always remember, IgA will be present in your breast milk. That okay. Very nice. Those who have answered, very nice. Okay, next question. Grafted kidney may be rejected in a patient due to, okay, once again, the same thing, guys. Same thing is being repeated. Cell-mediated immune response. Okay. Next, increased asthmatic attacks in certain seasons are related to. Now, remember, asthma can also be due to your allergies. So just think about this thing, guys. Why is it going to happen that way? Very nice. Purnavi, Mukta, Devang. Very nice. Okay. What is this? Guys, Sneha is saying also right. It is due to inhalation of seasonal pollen. Now, guys, actually in India, it is not much of a problem. But if you go to the other states, like if you other countries like UK, US, Canada, they have their special seasons during which all the pollen grains are going to be released. Okay, so during that season, if you inhale these pollen grains, immediately it results into inflammation. Okay, lysozyme that is present in perspiration, saliva, and tears destroys. Yes. What is it going to destroy? Yes, guys. Very nice. It is going to destroy certain type of your bacteria. And guys, this is your nothing but your local defense mechanism. Okay, when we talk about your immune system of the eyes don't have an immune system of their own. So in order to protect them from the germs and diseases and all, guys, you will see that the tears, they are going to have this lysozyme, and lysozyme is going to break down all that thing. Okay, so that way. Okay. Next. Oh, one minute. There's some question. Next, there is one question which is asking me, sir, what is hay fever? Hay fever is also on the same lines. It is your allergic disease basically. So during that also you're going to breathe into all these particles or allergens, and because of which you have sneezing, headache, a runny nose, runny eyes. So eyes are like watery eyes. Okay, all those things are going to happen. Then itchiness and all. So that is also your this thing, hay fever only. Okay, chalo. Next one, guys. What exactly is allergy? Allergy is what when immediately your body has some kind of adverse reaction. Then that is known as allergy. Allergy also has different classes. Okay, different classes of allergy. But anyways, so let's say, guys, some of you may have allergies to seafood. For example, some of you may feel stomach ache after having crabs, or you feel stomach ache after having prawns. So that is allergy. So once again, some of you may have allergies to nuts also. So some of you may be not liking groundnuts because you may have some something happening, groundnuts or maybe almonds or maybe walnuts. That is allergy. Okay, some now allergy can be in other ways also. Now some of you may have dust allergy. In that case, what will happen? The moment you come in contact with dust, you start sneezing. That is dust allergy. Also, let's say you may have maybe allergy of the dust only, but now how it is, let's say you are playing lapachupi, okay, hide and seek, and you have hidden behind the bushes. But then when you come out, now what happens? Suddenly you start having scratchiness all over your skin, and then there is a red rash present. That is also your allergy only. Okay, so allergy is a very broad term as such. Anyways, okay, next thing. Antibodies in our body are complex dash. Antibodies in our body are complex glycoproteins, lipoproteins, steroids, and prostaglandins. Best, very nice. Okay, Viva has given me the right answer. It is glycoproteins. Okay, very important, guys. Always keep this thing in mind. Glycoproteins. Where do we see lipoproteins, guys? Lipopolysaccharide. Okay, we are going to have the lipopolysaccharide layer, the cell membrane. Okay, the cell membrane and all. This is lipopolysaccharide. Anyways, damage to thymus in a child may lead to, guys, what was thymus responsible for? It was responsible for, guys, differentiation of your the WBCs, right? The lymphocytes. So tell me, what are you going to see? A reduction in hemoglobin content, a reduction in stem cell production. Loss of antibody mediated immunity, loss of cell mediated immunity. Yes, very nice. Sia has given me the right answer. Waiting for the others. Yes, Mukta is right. Vibha is right. Yes. Okay. Now, actually, guys, what is this? This is going to be a loss of cell mediated immunity. Okay. Because see, what is going to happen? Okay. You are going to see when it, uh, in thymus. Now, what is going to be responsible? See, the lymphocytes, immature lymphocytes, which are going to go to the thymus. What are they going to produce, guys? They are going to produce phoruclones because of thymosin. So we have the helper T cells. Okay, helper T cells, they're just going to help. Okay. Second thing we talked about your suppressor T cells. Okay. Memory T cells. Yes. And the last one, killer T cells, guys. Killer T cells was giving you cell mediated immunity. Okay, and that is a damage to the thymus, loss of cell mediated immunity. Okay, short-lived immunity acquired from mother to fetus across placenta or through mother's milk to the infant is categorized as very simple, guys. Yes, Vibha is right once again. Waiting for the others. Yes, Parnavi is right, Mukta is right. This kind of immunity is nothing but your passive immunity. Okay, next, interferons are synthesized in response to. Interferons are synthesized in response to. Yes, once again, Mukta is right. Waiting for the others. Come on, quickly, 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 guys. Only Mukta has answered. Nobody else. Masira is also right. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Guys, when is interferon produced? See, guys, I told you, like, if, by any chance a virus has infected any cell, the cell is going to produce interferons as a signaling mechanism to signal the neighboring cells that, oh, there is this infection which has come out over here. You need to be prepared. That is nothing but your interferon. So they are going to be produced against virus. Okay. And then the antibodies are okay, very simple. You don't even have to think about it. Yes, these are all your proteins. Okay. The term active immunity means, yes, think about this, guys. Yes, very nice. Mukta is again right. Waiting for the others. No, 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 no. Yes. What is this? Guys, this is nothing but C. All those who have messaged me C, this is the right answer. Resistance developed after the disease. Okay, fine. If a person shows production of interferons in his body, the chances are that he has got an infection of tetanus, malaria, typhoid, measles. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Yes, Parnavi is right. Parnavi has given me the right answer. Anybody else? Anybody else wishes to answer, guys? Okay, some of you have given me the right answers. Yes, yes, yes. Some of you are giving me the right answers. Yes. What is this? Guys, see, it has to be your virus, right? Because then only you are going to produce interferons. So who is the virus from here, guys? It is going to be your measles virus, measles. This thing. This is the right answer. Okay, chalo, just a moment, guys. Let me just quickly put all the other pictures also. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment, okay? Just a moment. I'm just taking all those last pictures. Okay, okay, chalo. So let's try to see, guys. Next one. Okay, chalo. So antibodies are produced by, okay, guys, you don't even have to think about it quickly. Arey, 1 minute, huh? Some chat box has gone somewhere. Yes, okay. So yes, Mukta is right, Himanshu is right, Parnavi is right. Yes, who is it? It is going to be your lymphocytes. Okay, the interferons are, guys, tell me quickly, interferons, what are these? Very nice. Mukta is right, Himanshu is right, Sia is right. Very nice. Okay, these are nothing but antiviral proteins. Okay. Next one, guys, which one of the following diseases is due to an allergic reaction? Now just see, enteric goiter, skin cancer, hay fever. What do you think, guys? I just now told you. Yes, very nice. All those who have messaged, okay, they are right. It is hay fever. Okay, antigens are present inside the cytoplasm, on the nuclear membrane, inside the nucleus, on the cell surface. So, guys, where it is going to be present? We're talking about antigens, huh? We're not talking about antibodies. Okay, so yes, very nice. Masira is right, Parnavi is right. Where are we going to see? Yes, these are going to be seen on the surface of the cell. Then only we will be able to identify those cells. Okay, so on the surface of the cell. Okay, next one, a cell coded protein that is formed in the response to infection with most antiviral, most animal viruses is called. Oh, come on, guys. It is so with most animal viruses. No, 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 no. It is most animal viruses, guys. What is this? A cell-coded protein that is formed in response to infection with most animal viruses is called. It is your interferon. Okay, so answer is right. Okay, someone was saying B or D. Now it is impossible B or D, not possible only. Okay, anyways, next thing, guys, which of the following is correct regarding AIDS positive agent HIV? Okay, and I'll give you a few minutes to read through this thing. Then tell me what do you think is the right answer. HIV is enveloped virus containing one molecule of single-stranded RNA and one molecule of reverse transcriptase. Mhm, mhm. No, HIV is enveloped virus that contains two identical molecules of single-stranded RNA and two molecules of reverse transcriptase. Yes, this is right, guys. This is right. HIV is unenveloped and retrovirus. Yes, this is also right because it does not have a proper envelope on top of it. So no, this is also right. Okay. ये क्या हो गया? Following, which of the following is correct? HIV does not escape but attacks the acquired immune system. Okay, so guys, what should have been the question was, see, uh, even this is going to be right. Okay, so they must have asked, like, find which is the incorrect one. Okay, incorrect regarding AIDS. Then the answer would be A only. Anyways, chalo, let's try to move ahead. Okay, HIV that causes AIDS first starts destroying. Yes, guys, what do you think? It first starts destroying the CD4 T cells. Okay, CD4 T cells are actually your T lymphocytes. Okay, so keep this thing in mind, guys. Okay, very, very important. CD4 T cells. Okay, next thing. Okay, at which stage of HIV infection does one usually show symptoms of AIDS? Okay, I told you that the full-blown AIDS is going to really take a long, long time, 50 to 20, 15 to 20 years. Okay, that is what we are looking at. But let's see how it is. Here, what do you think, guys? Yes, very nice. Okay, Masira is right. Himanshu is right. Okay, what is it? Uh, so when HIV damages large number of T helper, yeah, when are you going to show symptoms of AIDS? Okay, next one. Which one of the following statement is correct? Okay, HIV can be transmitted through eating food together with an infected person. Wrong. Okay. Drug addicts are least susceptible to HIV infection. No, they are going to be the most. Okay. Okay. Next, AIDS patients are being fully cured. Is this right, guys? Is this right? What do you think? Okay. This is also once again wrong. The causative HIV retrovirus enters. Yes. Okay. This is right. This is going to be right, guys. Okay. Next thing, human immunodeficiency virus has a protein code and a genetic material, which is genetic material is very nice. Mukta is right. Okay. What is this, guys? It is going to be single-stranded RNA. Okay. Then next one, which of the following statements is not true for cancer cells in relation to mutations? Okay, just read this thing, guys. Mutations inactivate the cell control. Mutations inhibit production of telomerase. Mutations in proto-oncogenes accelerate the cell cycle, and mutations destroy telomerase inhibitor. Okay, so guys, just think about this. Okay, a little, different wordings altogether. Okay, so actual answer is, guys, okay, mean which is not true, that mutations inhibit production of telomerase. No, that is not right, guys. Okay, next thing, which one of the following is not a property of cancer cell, whereas the remaining three are? They compete with normal cells for vital nutrients. They do not remain confined in the area of formation. They divide in an uncontrolled manner and they show contact inhibition. One moment, just one moment, one moment. Okay. Sorry, guys. Yes. What do you think? Yes. Some of you, yes, they show contact inhibition. Okay, always remember what is contact inhibition. Okay, so guys, let's say this is your, let's say this is your skin. Okay, and these were your cancerous cells. Okay, so what may happen is the cancerous cells, after they reach out over here, now if they touch the normal skin cells, they will stop. That is called as contact inhibition. But are these cancerous cells going to show that? No, they are not going to show this contact inhibition property. So yes, answer is D. Rest everything is right. Okay, which one of the following technique is safest for the detection of cancer? MRI, radiography, computed tomography, CT scan, or histopathological study? Guys, what do you generally go for? You are going to go for MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. See, guys, CT scan is a little faster. It is like, not that sophisticated. But in MRI, guys, MRI, you can see different layers of the skin. You have to go to get like, minute sections. And plus, guys, in this, you can even come to know what are the smallest tumors that are present in your body. Okay, so MRI is really useful, guys. Okay, next thing, carcinoma. Okay, carcinoma, guys, quickly. What is this? Carcinoma. Carcinoma. I told you, lung cancer, breast cancer. Guys, quickly answer, guys. Quickly. Yes, Arya is right. Mukta is right. Yes, it is going to be or tumors of the skin or mucous membrane. Okay. Cancerous cells can easily be destroyed by radiations due to guys, we are using mutations. Okay, mutation meaning it can be mutation, but then what is the idea behind this? Cancerous cell can easily be destroyed by radiations. Why? Because they are rapidly dividing. And because they are rapidly dividing, now they can undergo like rapid mutations, and when their cell wall, when the cell membrane is not properly formed, if you are bombarding it with high energy rays, immediately you are going to see that that cell is going to die. The cancer cell is going to just die off. Okay, reason of lung cancer. Sir, one minute. So coming back, so sir, it should be both A and C, right? No, A and C. Fast mutation. No. See, fast mutation. No, this is going to be later on. First, it is going to be because of rapid cell division only. Okay, otherwise, normally they will not undergo fast mutations. Okay, naturally, they themselves are not undergoing fast mutations as such. Okay, reason for lung cancer, once again, very simple, guys. It is nothing but coal mining. Okay, next, which of the following will be curable in the next 2 decades? Tuberculosis, poliomyelitis, cancer, none of these. What do you think, guys? Who is going to be curable? Yes, very nice, very nice. It is nothing but your cancer. Okay, chalo. Let's try to see the next one, guys. The blood cancer is also known as, very simple. Don't even have to think about it, guys. Yes, this is leukemia. A metastatic cancer tumor is termed sarcoma if the disorder is in fibroblast, circulatory system, epithelial cells, immune system. We are seeing the term sarcoma. Yes, guys. Guys, I'm not receiving answers from you guys. Come on, quickly, guys. Yes, it is actually your fibroblast cells. Okay, rest other thing, it is not pertaining to that. Fibroblasts, these are the ones. We have spoken of them earlier. Okay, fibroblast cells. Anyways, chalo. Okay, now next thing is going to be based on that entire last part of drugs, whatever we had done. Okay, so guys, drug called heroin is synthesized by, yes. Okay, now guys, heroin is diacetyl morphine. So what is that? Acetylation. Yes, very nice. Okay, so this is someone is saying sarcoma is attacks bone. No, no, no. Sarcoma is for your connective tissue. Okay, connective tissue may get, it can be anything from the connective tissue. Okay, chalo. Okay, which part of poppy plant is used to obtain the drug smack? Okay, so we are talking about your this thing only. Okay, so tell me, which thing is going to be used for smack, guys? Answer is latex. Guys, if you have ever seen, okay, the poppy plant, okay, it has these flowers like this, and what they do is they are going to cut this thing layer. They have several cuts like this, and because of these cuts, guys, what they do, this is going to give out that latex, that is your white thing which is oozing out like that. And that is nothing but the latex from the flowers. Basically flowers meaning the flowers, or the the fruit that it is trying to form, that way. Okay, then which is the particular type of drug that is obtained from the plant whose flowering branch is shown? Okay, so guys, sir, can the flower be directly used? No, 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 no. It is not directly used. You need to remove the this thing. You need to remove the latex. Then only it has to. Then the latex, once it is removed, then it is modified a bit. Then it is going to be converted into your heroin. Okay. So guys, what is this plant, guys? Can anybody find out? Like anybody say what is this plant, guys? Anybody? Anybody? This is the Tura plant, guys. Okay, yes, very nice. But Parnavi has given me the right answer. Ashwin is also right. Okay, guys, this is nothing but the Tura. And guys, you remember we had talked about Datura and Belladonna plants. What are they responsible for? They are responsible for producing hallucinogens. Okay, which of the following is hallucinogenic drug? Okay, so guys, yes. Find out who is the one amongst these. I told you, yes, this is going to be your LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. Okay, cirrhosis of liver is caused by the chronic intake of fatty liver, guys. Fatty liver is going to be because of what? Very simple. It is because of excessive alcohol intake. Okay, identify the molecules A and B shown out over here and select the right option giving their source and use. Okay, so guys, just see you are having these two complicated structures, but then still we'll try to find out. Okay, so guys, once again, see, you have this thing, these structures. Okay, so actually answer is D. One with morphine, pepper, somniferative, sedative, or killer 19. Yes, yes, right. Only this is matching from the others. Okay, but guys, once again, you will have to read this thing, then only you will remember this. Okay, Select the correct statement from the ones given below. Barbiturates, when given to criminals, make them tell the truth. Morphine is often given to person who have undergone surgery as a painkiller. Yes, this is the actual right thing, guys. Okay. So yes, this is the right thing. Okay, chewing tobacco lowers blood pressure and heart rate. No, that is opposite. Cocaine is given to patients after surgery as it stimulates recovery. No, we don't give cocaine. Otherwise, you'll be a cocaine addict. No, that is not possible. Okay, which one of the following statement is correct? Benign tumors show the property of metastasis. Is this right? No. Okay, only your malignant show metastasis. Heroin accelerates body functions. No. What do you think, guys? What do you think? No. Malignant tumors may exhibit metastasis. Yes, very nice. This is true. And patients who have undergone surgery are given cannabinoids to relieve pain. No, that is wrong. Okay, which one of the following is the correct statement regarding the particular psychotropic drug specified? Okay, guys, just have a look. Okay, guys, anybody? Yes. Now, actually, guys, see, so who is this psychotropic drug they are saying? Actually, it is hashish. Okay, hashish causes afterthought perceptions and hallucinations. So that is right. So guys, keep this thing in mind. Okay, keep this thing in mind. This part is a little tricky. Okay, one person is showing unpredictable moods, outbursts of emotion, quarrelsome behavior, and conflicts with others is suffering from. He is suffering from. It is actually borderline personality disorder, because then suddenly you enter into some different personality only, guys. Okay, remember, this is still a stigma in our country. We don't talk about mental health as such. Okay, but then if you go crazy, it can result into borderline personality disorder. Okay, then which one of the following depresses brain activity and produces feeling of calmness, relaxation, and drowsiness? Guys, what is this? It is actually your Valium. Okay, so anyways, so next thing. Okay, which one of the following is correct match? Okay, now once again, guys, yes. Yeah, it is reserpine. Okay, reserpine, it is actually a tranquilizer. Okay, LSD, guys, quickly, LSD. LSD is very simple, straightforward hallucinogen. Okay, which of the following is an opiate? Opium. Opium, it is going to be quickly opium, guys, opium. Yes, very nice. All those who have answered, yes. Opium is morphine. Okay, nicotine acts as a stimulant because it mimics the effect of. It is actually acetylcholine. Okay, anyways, opiate narcotic is opiate narcotic is heroin. Okay, and last one, guys, analgesic drugs. Analgesic are nothing but painkillers. Okay, so analgesic drugs, these are they. Last one, relief pain. That's it. That is it, guys. So this is what we need to know with regards to your human health and diseases. So next time when we meet, guys, once again we will start off with a new chapter. Okay. So guys, once again we'll stop over here for the day, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye.